So today I'm here with Queen Chick, and today she's going to be opening fidget spinners, two fidget spinners, and be reacting to them. Ooh, we had a little thing right here, and we have a little thing right here, a green one and a designed one. So yeah, let's see her open it. I'm just gonna open it for her because she only has feathers, no wings. So opening it. Ooh. And this is the case it was in. And here you go. You have one fidget spinner right here. So we're gonna put that right there. And then now the green one. So we're just gonna open this up like this. This one is a hand fidget. They're all hand fidget spinners, but yeah. I think she likes the fidget spinners and the plastic, and look at that. So satisfying, isn't it? Okay, so now let's see what she does to react with it. Queen Chick has been such a good girl, so I think I want to reward her with a treat. And that I'm getting right now. It's a little seed since she still has a little beak. Here you go. Do you want it? It looks like Queen Chick is not hungry right now. Oh, she does want it. Queen Chick does want it. So I'm just going to put it next to her whenever she wants it. Now it's time to react. This is a fidget spinner. I wonder how she's going to react. She doesn't mind much about it. What about when it spins? So, will she react for different colors? I don't think she will. This was her reaction for the yellow one. Let's see the other one. This one's the more heavier one, and metally one, and steel one, and lead. So that's why they call it hand, because this one is the heaviest one. Here's the one. Let's see if she reacts to it. She doesn't mind much about this one either. Even if I put it in front of her, she doesn't mind much. That's about both of them. Next to her. See what she does. She just... Looks like Queen Chick is almost falling asleep. But I guess she's sleepy. So I'm going to end it here. Thank you for watching Queen Chick reacts to fidget spinners. Two fidget spinners, actually. Subscribe and like if you want to see more Chick videos. Put some suggestions in the comments what I should do to Chick. Look, she has fallen to sleep. So cute. Look, she fell asleep. She's like, get away from me. Bye. Hold on. Ooh, she's getting up. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video like I said. Bye.